This airplane has been test flown. We've had the guys out flying it now for about 4 weeks, so they've been doing some training and basically route testing, making sure that the airports in places like Calgary and Montreal, Toronto are ready for the airplane and have seen the airplane. So it's been flying for 4 weeks now. Yeah, every airplane has its own individual characteristics, right? From things like the eye to wheel height, how high the undercarriage is, how spacious and wide the flight deck is. But this plane has no adverse handling or anything. It flies very, very nice. It's a very comfortable flight deck for us to operate in. As you can see, there's no control column here, so it's very clean for us. We have an unobstructed view of all of our instruments. So a control column is like the old way of having a steering wheel, basically. Usually it came out of the floor on a big metal rod, and it was connected, and we steered the airplane like that. So the Embraer E190 I used to fly had that. Whereas this airplane is much like the rest of the Airbus products, has what we call a side stick, where everything is done through a fly-by-wire. I like the situational awareness tools this airplane has for the pilots. We have dual heads-up displays, which allow us to look in one spot during low visibility operations. It also has multiple screens that allow the pilots to configure based on the information they need at the time. It's also a very intuitive and easy airplane to hand fly. It flies very nice with the side stick. The HUD is a piece of glass that basically takes our symbology from our primary flight displays and projects it here, allowing the pilots one spot to look during low visibility operations. We can look through the glass, we see the outside environment and what the airplane is doing on our flight instruments. And having it for both pilots on this airplane is excellent because it keeps the situational awareness very high. Pretty much got all the things I would wish for. It's a clean sheet design, efficient wing, and great visibility from the flight deck with these big windows.